Welcome back. So we are going to look at what we have done throughout this lesson. So starting with the concept map. Today we spoke about the purpose and the function of the digestive system. We looked at the main processes that are involved in the digestive system. We then looked at the components that make up a digestive system. And lastly, we spoke about the 4 health issues that are associated with the digestive system. We were also introduced to new terminology. So the first term that we looked at was ingestion, which is the taking in of food through the mouth. We then spoke about digestion, which is breaking down food into small particles or substances. And then we spoke about egestion, which is getting rid of undigested food or undigested particles. And then we spoke about the esophagus, which is the tube that connects the mouth and the stomach. We then spoke of nutrients, which are substances that nourish our bodies. And then we were introduced to absorption, which is the process of taking in nutrients into the bloodstream and transporting them into the cells of our bodies. And the last one was the feces, which is the undigested waste that is excreted or passed out through the anus. So try and avoid the following mistakes. Firstly, do not confuse the process of ingestion and egestion. Ingest is taking in, egest, exit, taking out through the anus. So those are 2 different things. Try not to confuse them. The second one is do not confuse or mix up mechanical and chemical digestion. If you remember, we said mechanical is the physical breakdown, the biting, the chewing, that is mechanical. And then chemical, it has to do with enzymes and hydrochloric acid. So now this is the chemical breakdown of the food particles. So it happens after the mechanical has taken place. And also, remember that the digestive system is not a separate entity. It is interrelated with other systems in the body. For example, we were doing the digestive system, but in the process of the digestive system, we did touch on the circulatory system because we spoke about transporting nutrients via the blood to the cells. So that tells us that in the body there's a lot of systems, and these systems work together in order for a human being to function properly. So we are going to look at our challenge question for this week. Now that we have learned about the main processes of digestion, which are ingestion, digestion, absorption, and egestion, explain the difference between excretion and egestion. So what is the difference? So this is your task for the week, to go and research the answer to this question. So we are going to end here for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a lovely time. I will see you next time.